Hi guys, you're all welcome to this virtual training session about Informatica MDM. So the topic for today is Enterprise Manager. So here we go, this is the Enterprise Manager. So you need to connect to the master database in order to check this Enterprise Manager. The reason being, this is basically an admin, like this Enterprise Manager is basically an administrator tool where you monitor different servers. You can see the hub server, the process server, and all those servers that has been created, right? All these things you can monitor here. You can check their health status. Let's check it out one by one. Hub server, that's the most important part. You can see the hub server has been installed here in this directory, and the database type is Oracle. You could have DB2 or MS SQL server, you could have that. The application server is JBoss. Here you could have WebLogic or IBM WebSphere, any of this. And this is the default port that this application uses, and by default protocol it uses a remote protocol, and this is important. This is the memory that you need to configure. You typically configure this to a very large memory in case of production, and these are all different options. You can see reference interval for user profiles, resources, clock tick, all those. You do not need to you do not need to modify all of this, but if you want to do that, you can do it in your cmx server.properties file. If you do that automatically and you restart your server, then automatically those things will be reflected here, and you can check the version history, the version 10, okay, and the start date, end date, and all those. And process servers, we have 2 process servers. You can check this, like where it has been installed, and all the details you can check it out here. Okay, all the details you'll find it here about 2 different ORSs and the master ORS database that you have, the version about that. Okay, and that this was about your process servers. We have 2 ORSs, so we have configured 2 process servers for 2 ORSs, and these are those 2 ORSs that we talked about. So you can see this, all of this for properties. This is an important property, model repository service. So basically, if you want to enable platform staging, there is you'd like to use IDQ to load data into your Informatica MDM tables. So if you want to enable that, if you want to do that, then you can go ahead. You just need to have the model repository service in Informatica Power Center to be installed up and running, and you provide the host name and the domain port, user name, password, all these details. You just edit them and you just provide those details here, and once you do that, then automatically platform staging will be enabled and you will be able to use those options. And again, this is an important field. You can see database ID. You will need this when you are using SIP operations. Okay, so this is an important. And apart from that, this is the environment report, that is the overall reports. You can check this. This is nothing but we already talked about this MDM tools. This takes you to an separate utility, that's a web-based console. This is just an extension of this MDM hub console, where you can check the statuses of all of this hub and client server and match analysis. If you want to do this, it's a new feature. If you want to do, then you can go ahead and you can do that, as well as if you want to migrate users from ORSs, that also you can do that. So that's it. That was all about Enterprise Manager, and thank you very much for listening, and check out the next videos. Thanks.